Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing 4 essential tips on how to retire early and achieve financial independence. Whether you dream of traveling the world or spending quality time with your loved ones, these tips will help you reach your early retirement goals. Remember, this is not financial advice. 1. Save aggressively. Set a clear financial goal. Start by determining the amount of money you'll need to retire comfortably. Consider factors such as your desired lifestyle, healthcare expenses, and inflation. Having a clear goal will provide you with a target to work towards. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses meticulously. Identify areas where you can cut back and reduce unnecessary spending. Channel those savings into investment opportunities that align with your retirement goals. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to a retirement account or separate savings account. This ensures that you consistently save a portion of your income without the temptation to spend it. Maximize retirement contributions. Take full advantage of retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or other similar options offered in your country. Contribute the maximum amount possible to benefit from tax advantages and potential employer matches. 2. Invest wisely. Educate yourself. Take the time to learn about different investment options and understand the risks and rewards associated with each. Consider diversifying your investments across asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or index funds. Seek professional advice. Consult with a financial advisor who specializes in retirement planning. They can guide you through investment strategies tailored to your specific goals and risk tolerance. Long-term mindset. Embrace a long-term investment approach. Avoid chasing short-term gains and focus on building a portfolio that will grow steadily over time. Stay disciplined and resist the urge to make impulsive investment decisions based on market fluctuations. Monitor and rebalance. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it aligns with your retirement goals. Rebalance your holdings periodically to maintain a diversified and risk-appropriate allocation. Before we go to our third tip, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 3. Reduce debt and liabilities. Pay off high-interest debt. One of the most effective ways to accelerate your path to early retirement is by tackling high-interest debt. Start by prioritizing debts with the highest interest rates, such as credit card debt or personal loans. By allocating extra funds towards paying off these debts, you'll save money on interest payments and free up more of your income for savings and investments. Consider employing debt repayment strategies like the debt avalanche method, where you focus on paying off the highest interest debt first while making minimum payments on other debts. Minimize or avoid new debt. While managing existing debt is crucial, it's equally important to be mindful of taking on new debt. Evaluate whether the debt aligns with your long-term financial goals before committing to it. Ask yourself if the purchase or expense is essential and if it will contribute positively to your overall financial well-being. By being selective with your debt, you can maintain better control over your finances and avoid unnecessary financial burdens. Consider refinancing. Refinancing can be a powerful tool for reducing debt and improving your financial situation. If you have high-interest loans or mortgages, explore opportunities to refinance them at lower interest rates. Refinancing can lead to lower monthly payments, saving you money in the long run. However, it's important to carefully assess the costs associated with refinancing and consider the impact it will have on your overall financial picture before making a decision. 4. Increase your income. Enhance your skills. Investing in yourself and your skills can significantly boost your earning potential. Consider acquiring new skills or furthering your education in areas that align with high-demand industries or sectors. This can open doors to better job opportunities, promotions, or even enable you to start a side business. Look for professional development programs, online courses, or certifications that can enhance your skill set and make you more valuable in the job market. Explore additional income sources. Increasing your income doesn't always mean relying solely on a traditional job. Look for additional income sources to supplement your primary income. This could involve freelancing in your area of expertise, renting out a property, or monetizing a hobby or passion project. The gig economy offers various opportunities for generating additional income. Assess your skills, interests, and available resources to find creative ways to boost your earning potential. Negotiate a raise or promotion. Don't underestimate the power of negotiation in your current job. Advocate for yourself by demonstrating your value and seeking a raise or promotion. Research industry standards and salary ranges to support your case. Highlight your achievements, contributions, and the positive impact you've made within the organization. A well-prepared negotiation can lead to increased income, improved benefits, or a better position that aligns with your long-term goals. And there you have it, 4 essential tips for retiring early and achieving financial independence. By saving aggressively and investing wisely, you can create a solid foundation for your future. Remember, early retirement requires dedication, discipline, and a well-thought-out plan. Start implementing these tips today, and you'll be on your way to enjoying the freedom and peace of mind that come with retiring early. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there are other topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay financially savvy and keep working towards your early retirement dreams.